flag. As you can see, a channel descending here, and we just broke out. We also see that we have got a orange momentum line moving up here, and the stochastic over here is overbought, and we see the green line starting to move above the red line. So this is why I feel this is going to be a good trade. What I am looking at is we did get a rejection here and a rejection here, so I'd be looking at taking quick profits on this when we do get up, but I do feel like this is going to be a good long trade. So what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to pull the position first before I set the order in TradingView, because I want to see what it looks like. Because I've set orders in here and been like, no, that does not look correct, and then I get out. So I'm going to go previous structure low, usually on this one, but I'm just going to go to the support line because it's very strong here. And then for this one here, a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio would be up here. Let me just, give me 1 second while I just look at this. I want to make sure this has got enough momentum to head up. I do all this live with you guys, so just give me a second while I'm looking at all this, because this is kind of, you guys get to hear me talk out loud. Okay, so this got rejected based off this previous structure low over here. It's quite a bit of the ways back. And then we got a rejection here again. This is right at 184. So where's 190, 150? So where's 1850? 50 up is up there. Okay, so this doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna come, you know what? Let's go right here. I'll go to this as a previous structure. Then we'll go 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, and this will make me more comfortable that we're right at the top there. Yeah, I'll do this one. This feels good to me, in my opinion. So let's take this guy, and let's come over here and just go to a buy, and then we'll move this guy over here, go to stop loss, and take profit, move this to price, if you guys are doing this with us. And then you go to here, and then you get simply copy and paste this over. Don't ever try to type this in with the numbers. Don't look at it and type. Always copy and paste. If you mess that up, it's not going to be good. So come in here, and then you want to do a stop loss level. So you're doing copy, and then you're doing stop loss paste. And if this does mess up and you guys do it backwards, TradingView will let you guys know. So that's why I love TradingView. Risk always 1%, never any more than 1%, because we only want to risk 1% on these trades here. And I feel good about this, so we're going to do a buy. So let's buy this puppy. Confirmation, there it is. All right, we're in. Next one I'm looking at GBP NZD, and make sure you guys go back to our TradingView profile page and watch video 1 where I opened 4 trades 15 minutes ago. Let me see, GBP NZD. GBP NZD, there you are. This same type of action playing, guys. A great move up here. This is somewhat of a bull flag here, moving down. We see a break moving up here, and we could possibly see this break through the top here. And we are also seeing that the Martin Stochastic Trend is green, with the green line moving above the red, and we've been red for a while, waiting for this to go green. And so I think it's going to be a great trade as well. So we're going to come in here and do a long at the current price right here. Previous structure low just below here, so make sure we don't get caught up on that. And then a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio is going to be right about there. So I feel comfortable with that. So I will come in here, and we're going to do a buy on this one. And we're going to go stop loss. Remember, set this to price and price. It's so easy to set this, guys. Don't ever let trading be intimidating. It is a piece of cake. You just need to do it. Profit, we're going to take profit. Just going to copy that over there. Stop loss. This is going to be this guy right here. Copy this over to the stop loss. And then risk, we're only going to do 1% of our portfolio. And we're just going to do buy. So let's come in here, buy that puppy. Boom, got another one in. The last one I'm looking at. So basically we did a long on GBP AUD, a long on GBP NZD, and NZD CHF is one I'm here. NZD CHF. Where'd you go? There you are. Last trade I will be looking at. I called this a few days ago, and it confirmed where I thought it was going to go, and I just wanted to make sure we had enough momentum moving down, and I saw a bear break to the downside, and that's what we're seeing here. So I do feel comfortable about this one. Placing this now, I'm just going to go just a little bit higher here for this guy, and then I'm going to come in here, and I think we could easily see this come back down probably to around this price right around there. So that's what I'll place on this one. I'm just going to go a little bit higher just so we don't get stopped out, just in case. And you can see here, guys, the Martin Stochastic Trend, red background. What does that mean? Long and short zones. It means the best trades are going to be short. I wait for moves back up into this 5 quadrant right here, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait for moves back up. Wait for your stochastic to be oversold with the Martin Trend meter being green for a while, which tells us we are expected to go red. And then this is where you guys can set up some good trades for your long and short positions. So this is going to be a short. Same thing, guys, just click stop loss, take profit, price, price. Come over here, double click this, always copy and paste stop loss level. You're going to play right here, and then your take profit. You're going to copy this over and paste this over here. Risk to reward ratio, always 1%. Again, always 1%, never anymore. I see so many people coming in and they look at a position and they put like a 50-cent lot size and they've got like $1,000. It's like, no, you did that completely wrong. They try to up their leverage. The best way for trading, guys, is to go as simple profits over and over, small profits over and over again with risking very little amounts. So always only 1% of your portfolio is what I highly, highly suggest. And there you guys go. Let's do a sell. This will be placed. And that looks pretty good. So we just opened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades within the last 15 minutes. Let's take a look at how these are doing. They're all probably down at the moment because we have that spread and they're just open. So yeah, they're all down, which is exactly what we want. We want these all to be down here because we have a spread. Some of these are looking pretty good, almost break even here, almost break even here, almost break even here already. And I'll keep you guys updated. If you guys are wondering, our current performance is pretty good. Account history, we've closed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in a row, all profitable, using this exact same strategy. So that's why I feel pretty comfortable that we're going to see a good return on this. Already have grown the account 6.5% within the last 5 days of trading. This marks the 5th day. And so if you guys are trading along with us, good job. You guys have grown your account 6.5% in 5 days manual trading with great stop losses and take profits. And if you guys want to keep following me on the videos, I'll let you guys know how these go, obviously. And do cut any of these short, which I do sometimes. I cut the losers short before they lose more. And if I get close to a take profit and I think we might see a reversal, I'll just go ahead and cut those. And I'll do my best to do all these on a live video so you guys can see how I'm doing that. All right, guys, there we go. 3 more trades open. Just to go over review, GBP AUD is long, GBP NZD is long, and NZD CHF is a short. And you guys can go back on the video and watch all of those, or you guys can probably see, you can't see it exactly down here. Yeah, it's just go back and watch the video if you want to see the take profits and the stop loss. And feel free to come trade along. All these 5 indicators I'm using are what I'm using on all these trades now. And so far, we haven't lost a trade yet, as you guys can see in the summary down here. So enjoy, guys. Feel free to copy these if you want, and I'll keep you updated on the videos. All right, guys, cheers, and grab all these indicators, link in the description, and I'll see you on the next video. Alrighty, bye-bye.